It's 33 minutes past 9 a.m. East African time. Let me now inform you. Members of Stima DT Sacco have all the reasons to smile all the way to the bank as the Sacco pays out dividends and interest rebates at the rate of 14% and 10.75% respectively for the financial year ending December 31st, 2021. Now, the Sacco turnover grew by 16% to 6.86 billion Kenya shillings in 2021 from 5.89 billion Kenya shillings in 2020. During the financial year under review, the Sacco's share capital also grew from 2.02 billion Kenya shillings to 2.38 billion Kenya shillings. Deposits, of course, increasing by 9.7% and, of course, to 31 billion.
6.8 billion of income. Again, this was done in the backdrop of COVID-19 during a very harsh pandemic. But Stima Sacco is still a very resilient institution, very stable, and we are here to go further as an institution. Amongst the products we launched last year was one on the mortgage, that is the Kenya Mortgage Refinance. You're able to get a loan at 9% to 9.5% for a period of 20 up to 25 years.
We have a solid strategy from 2019-2024, and that strategy is focusing on growth. In addition to our strategy, we believe in good corporate governance, and good corporate governance is a very good pillar for strong performance.
All right, and let's talk about something that's very, very close to